Hey guys, today we will be making the Lalafanfan Duck out of a sock. And my sock is white because I didn't find yellow socks. Anyway, I'm using the top of the sock, the tip of it, for the head. And I have here some pillow stuffing. This is another sock and I'm using it for the cheeks. It's like a half a ball. You don't really sew it, tight. And you can sew it or you can glue it to the head. Two pins for the eyes, and this is foam paper I cut out. The shape of the mouth as good as I could. And I'm also making the glasses. And you can glue them too or sew them. The rest of the sock will serve as the body, and the body has legs and arms. It's not your typical bird. So first of all, I'm creating the shoulders, and I leave room. I left a hole basically for the neck, and that's where the stuffing material will go in. And the rest of the body you sew it like completely, the legs, the arms. Now you turn it inside out through the neck area, and there's your stuffing material, pillow stuffing. And finally you will sew the head, and she comes out fairly cute. Thanks.